Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be unboxing my number 7 advent calendar. This is the Wizard of Oz advent calendar, 12 days in Emerald City, so this is a 12-day advent calendar. I have just unboxed my MAC advent calendar, which should have gone up yesterday, so you can watch that if you would like. And I'm about to open this one. I've already opened it, I'm just showing you what I've got in it, because I put everything back in. If you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any further videos from me, and let's just get started. Just a little disclaimer if you haven't seen yesterday's video, I'm upstairs, I'm at my nan's, and my little ring light is like pretty much dying. That I got, it's like an iPhone ring light, and I've only got this little bit of light going through the window because I've got blackout curtains that I can't open properly. The light's not amazing, but it's only for a little advent calendar video, so it's fine. You just open it like this, and it's like that. Really cute. So I'm gonna have it down here. So in day 1 is this lip glaze in Red Slippers Red. Ruby Slippers Red, sorry. That's a beautiful colour, yeah. Ignore all the other swatches that you can kind of see remnants of. That's a lovely colour. That's so cute. It's like a lip gloss basically, just with a bit of shimmer in it. And I love the packaging of that. Number 2 is this eyeliner, Cyclone Black, which I'm actually quite happy I got this because I don't really have many. Okay, it's a little bit... It's not very opaque, I can't lie. It's not like a solid black, I don't know if you agree. It's very soft though, it's a bit more like, it's almost like it's got a bit more of a charcoaly colour rather than like black. And it does have a little smudger on the end if I want to smudge it out. It is a little bit more charcoaly, I would say. Number 3 is this, what is it? I'm not really sure, I think it's like an eyeshadow like base sort of thing. Oh, it's a glitter. It's a gold glitter. That's what that is. Because I just got so much of it over me. A load just fell out onto me. Number 4 is this brush. It's just like a double-ended brush, which come in handy, so it's quite soft as well, so I quite like that. This is obviously like a really, where did I put it? This is a really quick video because it's only 12 items and it's like there's not much to sort of show. Day number 5 is this this is so, I don't know if you can see just how soft that is. Like, it's insane how soft this is. It's so lovely. Maybe for blush I'd maybe use this. It's so soft, I can't even explain to you. Number 6. This advent calendar is quite annoying to get stuff out of, I'm not gonna lie. It's this Yellow Brick Road mini highlighter palette. But it's not really a palette, it's literally just like one colour. Like, it looks like this. And the colour, let's see, ooh. I don't know if you can see that properly. That looks really lovely. It's a little bit like Mary Luminizer, to be fair. That's a lovely colour. And the packaging is just beautiful. I mean, they could have done 2 shades, to be fair, like a dark one and light or something, but the packaging is just so pretty. Like, I love this. Number 7 is a sponge. Now, I haven't tested this sponge out yet. I'm not sure if it's one that like expands when you wet it, or if it's just one like this, but it's very soft, so I'm really hoping it expands. But yeah, it's really like squishy and a really lovely shape. Well, I say really lovely shape, I've never actually used one this sort of shape before, so hopefully it's good. Look at this, look what I've done. Number 8? Where's 8? Why have I lost it? Oh, it's there. Number 8 is so pretty. It's the lipstick in Dorothy Red. And for starters, the packaging is really cute anyway. But like, when you open it, look at that lipstick. Tell me that isn't just like the most beautiful thing. I'm going to swatch it for you. Oh, what a lovely colour. I think the glitter might just be on the outside, to be honest, just for like looks, but that is such a pretty red. And it's like glossy as well. So lovely, like I love that. Number 9, we have got this Ruby Slippers mini eye palette. And it just looks like this. Again, lovely packaging, I really love the gold. It feels very sleek. It actually feels like a sleek highlighter palette I've got. I'm going to swatch all the colours, you can kind of see them. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. They're actually really lovely. I really like them. I did that in such a bad place, I know. I'm aware. So, me editing in the future here. After filming this video, I counted how many items I'd taken out just in case before I threw the box away. and only had 11 because I left day 10 in the advent calendar and never did it. So after this, you're going to go straight to 11. Day 10 was a red lip liner that basically just matched the lip glaze from day 1 and the lipstick that you saw from day, like, whatever day it was, the glittery red lipstick. So yeah, I forgot. Now we're going to go on to day 11. Day 11 is another lip glaze in Munchkin Pink. Now this colour I'm obsessed with. I don't know if it's got glitter in it. I think it's got slight gold glitter. You can see it, I've put it just under this one right here. But they're really lovely, these lip glazes. They're very shiny and like juicy. I really like them. And then day number 12 is, I was a bit disappointed because I always look what's in my advent calendars before I buy them, so I'm not wasting my money. And I was a bit disappointed to see what was in. The fact the MAC one and this one both had a mirror in day 24. But this mirror was quite impressive, I'm not going to lie. Like, it is a really pretty mirror, to be fair. You see? Like, this is a number 7 mirror and it's like fully thingy and pretty, and the MAC one's just like a keychain one without even a lid. So I was kind of disappointed, like, considering MAC is very expensive and that's all they got. So I was quite impressed with this mirror, I'm not gonna lie. That's day 12. I opened it every even day, so that's how I did it. That is everything I got. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like and comment. Let me know any ideas you have down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!